Want to create your own AI avatar and voice clone without expensive equipment or complicated software? In this step-by-step Pictory AI tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create an AI avatar and voice clone with Pictory AI. You'll learn how to train your avatar, clone your voice, verify your identity, and use your digital twin in your videos, all in just a few simple steps. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, online courses, or marketing content, this feature can save you hours of recording time. Let's jump right in.
Want to create your own AI avatar and voice? Here's how to do it step by step in Pictory. Pictory lets you generate realistic avatar and voice clones for your videos. Go to the Avatars menu and click Create New. Upload or record at least 2 minutes of high-quality training footage. Make sure your lighting is clear and your audio is clean. Record and upload a short consent video to verify your identity. Submit your footage and let Pictory process your avatar and voice clone. Once ready, your avatar appears in the Avatars menu and your voice in the Audio section. If you only need a voice clone, go to Audio, click Create New, and upload a clean voice sample. To use your avatar, open a project and go to the Avatars tab. Select your clone and add it directly into your scene. Resize, reposition, or show and hide your avatar across scenes. Once you're happy, download your video.
And that's how you can create your own AI avatar and voice clone using Pictory AI and start producing videos faster than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Ray Creators Lab, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials on AI tools, Pictory AI, and content creation. Also, be sure to check the links in the description below to try Pictory AI yourself and access more helpful AI resources and tutorials. Before you go, click on the video showing on your screen right now to see more AI tools that help content creators streamline their daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.